My man, pots and pans. But you said it was no good.
I don't know. I think I tried both of them. They're like on an angle or something like that.
This guy, man.
Yeah.
You're the guy
Maybe
that
they're fine and they just.
You're the guy that comes to a family picnic with that bad egg salad. You don't know when that mayonnaise expired. Is that what you're doing? Perfect. My God. This is what you got.
I did find an older punch down tool though, like a green commercial electric.
Well, leave it at home.
Depot band or whatever.
Carl don't
brand
like
or
that
whatever.
stuff. Carl don't like that stuff.
But I don't know if it's any sharper. But I did just find that.
Good. Good, 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 good. Victoria, I'm going to go through these things.
Yep.
3, 2, 1. Hey, many thanks. We're taking a look at punches, and I just wanted to show you guys, Carl, Matt, and Matt, they probably already know this stuff. So when people show up on a resume or a job interview, especially with their tools, I always judge a book by its cover, and I take a look at what their punches are. Ideals are our primary good tools. Now, if you hear it, I also listen for the death rattle. Now, people on YouTube might be going crazy and stuff like that. But if you guys hear, I don't know which ones was which, but shake it. You hear it? Those you want to be as tight as anything. There's no rattle to this. But you want to basically have that. You want to make sure your head is good. Because if your head is loose, especially General Electrics, which you're probably talking about, no bueno. I don't even know what that means. You seem to know Spanish a little bit. What does that mean?
No.
No. Okay. No bueno means just no?
No
Oh,
good.
no good.
No
Okay.
good.
Good. So anyway, the trend nets are okay. Now, they're always gonna, everybody on YouTube too is, where are you going for? You got something else? Carl's always got something. Oh, you got a green
No, I don't
GE?
have a green GE one.
You got something with a Chinese
I
name?
just want to make sure my spares did too.
Oh, so that's an interesting point. Carl's one of our seniors. Seniors should always carry dos, which is 2 in Spanish, punches. Because this is your bread and butter, your punches. So if one goes dead, or if one guy who's about to do the panel is not there, you can always have a spare one. Now, let me just, Carl, just relax, man. So, now these guys too, I like these, and I'll bring it up there. Matt, I'll ask Matt first. You have any idea what these are for?
Take the wire out of the jack.
Take the wire out of the jack or on the patch panel. You know about these? Yeah, so that's beautiful. So if you're crossing, because I need readers right now, and if you cross, instead of just ripping it out or ripping out all 8 wires, you can just take this little hook and it will just hook right into the patch panel and just boop.
Just pull one out.
Yeah, just pull one. You ever punch like one by mistake or something? Ooh, this is good, and it's good on your teeth. Now, because I'm a man, I really don't read instructions, but you can also use this for a little bit of finesse. But the great thing about anything is, oh, this is actually called, how do you pronounce that?
One of these.
Spudger.
Exactly, we'll go for that. So make sure you actually read things, but you'll also see on this, everybody fights me. There's a little setting on most of these guys, and especially on our favorites, which is ideal, is you have a low and a high punch. So basically they are going to bust your stones and everybody's going to say patch panels should be low. Now Matt, you've been rocking with me for years. You might have seen my punches are on high, but you're supposed to do it on low, and especially on trip light things, so you will feel the teeth of the patch panel with the pressure. So personally, if you guys grab mine when I'm actually in the field, I'll have it on high. Also, the blades. I gave you the cheaper one. But the blades on these guys, make sure you carry another blade, but then there's also the 66. So very few and far between. Carl, you just used these the other day, right? On the 66?
66 block.
Yeah. So one's just a punch, and then one's just a cutter. So again, that's a 66. You ever worked with the 66 blocks?
Phone systems?
Yeah, right. So most people are using VoIP, but you are going to get some older stuff. So again, my favorite is Ideal. You guys are rock and roll. If you're down the street at ADI, you get Platinum Tools, but it's still a good one. So you can put an extra blade in there. But again, I like this because occasionally Carl's always saying I make mistakes, so I can just pull them out occasionally when I'm hitting the patch back. That's it on a long-winded thing, and this is an internal bridge cable video. All you YouTube haters, go ahead, post some comments what you like. But if I had to make things, and I am called arrogant occasionally, but I just have a love and a joy of this business, and I've been doing this for how many years, Victoria?
16 plus?
16 years, but I don't count the 20 years because you don't want to see what I did for the 4 years in the beginning. Ideals are our favorite, but basically make sure your senior guys are always carrying 2 of these, and make sure you read the instructions every once in a while. And we got to wrap it up because they're breaking down the walls. Thanks very much. Like and comment and subscribe and say hello to us. Bye-bye.